Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Guess what I got? Hold on.
Yes, Jay, what would you like?
Guess what I got?
What? Jay, put them back, babe.
Hey. Libby wants to try some.
No, Libby can shush. No, babe. Put them back, please.
No.
Babe, I'm actually not joking. Babe, those were given by Hannah's mum, Amanda.
Thanks, Amanda.
Jay! Babe, she's opening them.
Try. If you get a pink one, you gotta go keep eating them.
Okay, yes, I like that idea.
Don't egg her on. Jay!
If this is pink like Libby's shirt, I'll keep eating them.
Oh my gosh. Jay! Darrell! You know she doesn't muck around.
I just forgot you gotta do this.
Jay, put them back, please, babe.
If this one is green, I'm getting a belly button piercing.
No, you're not. Oh my god, it's green. You're not. You're not.
It's green!
Jay. If the next one,
Huh?
if the next one is pink, Mom has to buy me a car. Go.
By what?
Buy me a car.
No.
This one's for you, Duro.
Pink.
Hold on, let me mix them around a little bit.
It won't be. It won't.
If this one is pink, Duro gets a car.
Pink.
Sorry, it's not pink.
Why am I clapping? Toriana is going to be so upset. Jay,
These are good.
you can't. Okay, babe, okay, just one more, please. Just one more and put them back, please.
Okay. If the next one
Yep.
is green, you have to give me $50.
Oh my gosh.
It's not green, don't worry.
You're clapping like she didn't just eat half of the butt.
I know, I don't even know why I'm clapping. Babe, you know what Toriana's like. Why would you open them? Look what she's doing. She's patting her titty there.
Yeah, that's Lippy.
Yeah, Libby.
You know what? Libby, put the
Look.
clinkers back. You know what? I went to 8 different places this week to find those things, and you just open them up like they're nothing. They're gold.
Guys, don't tell my mama.
Oh my gosh. Who owns this child? Get your sister. Get her.
That's normal.
That is not normal. Look at her.
You birthed it.
I'm like, Jay, put them back. Jay,
What's this? Yeah?
put them back now, please.
Yeah, okay.
Gosh. Bye, Jay.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
Bye.